Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a very simple, very easy and very quick recipe. A jalapeno and chili preserve. And this is a hot pepper paste. Can it, keep it in a cold place, like a cold room, and it stays for a year, no problem. And once you open it, then and use it, you can put it in the refrigerator and use it, have it handy when you are cooking something hot. What we do first, we need a combination of red peppers that we are going to measure, and then we are going to clean them up, and then we are going to use salt. All you need basically 2 ingredients, pepper and kosher salt, and a jar. For this little jar we need 300 grams of whole peppers. When you work with hot peppers, it's always a good idea to use gloves. So we are going to cut and remove the seeds. I recommend that you always use gloves when you handle hot peppers, just to prevent any accidents. This paste is a delicious way to add a kick to your food, add some heat to any recipes that you are making. And you can keep it in the refrigerator for a long time. I'm also going to post the ingredients and the measurements in the description below. If you like this recipe, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also feel free to leave me a comment in the description below. So I cleaned the peppers and now I'm going to measure it, and I should have about 200 grams. And let's see. Yeah, just a little over 200 grams. We are also going to measure the salt. I'm using kosher salt. Make sure it's kosher, and we need 40 grams of kosher salt. Once I have the pepper measured out and my salt, then I'm going to grind them up with my food processor. First, I'm going to just cut them in smaller pieces. Depending on your food processor, you might not even need to do this step. Mine is an older model, so there you go. So I'll add the peppers to the food processor and process for about a minute until they are all grounded up. Should look like this. I'm going to add the salt now and just process a little bit longer for about 15 seconds until the salt has dissolved and it's all blended together. Looks perfect. All done. Our next and final step will be to take a sterilized jar, a small 250 ml jar, and a flat metal lid with a rubber seal, and add the ground pepper to the jar. And this is basically all. You just fill your jar and then cover it with the lid, tighten the screw band around it, keep it in the cold room for a year. Once you open it, refrigerate it, and you can use it whenever you need to add some heat to your dish. Now it's your turn. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.